right back at the JKD show.
I'm Mike Magic with Abracabully. This is Jackson, and we have
JKD.
We're here to have some fun with all you people staying at home.
And this is, you probably seen Jackson on the channel a couple of times. He's 3 years old if you forgot. Let's get into the magic trick.
Let's do a trick. Jackson. Look at all of those cards. Do you see them? I'm going to give them a little bit of a mix. Just like this.
That's cool.
I'll put the cards over here. Oh, excuse me for a second. Oh, it's disgusting. Hold on, we'll put those over there. All right, this is better. All right, so now... That's disgusting, I tell you. Oh my God. All right, we'll put those back over. So anyway, we're going to do a little bit of a magic trick. Hopefully this works because we're going to use this. Oh, God. Ah, sorry. We use this deck of cards over here. So, Jacob, do me a favor. I don't want to see, okay, but I want you to pick out a low number card.
A low number card.
Like 2, 3, 4, one of those. Don't let me see it. Take it. Show it up close to the camera so they can see it.
Don't look. Oops, I dropped it.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
And on the number side, I would like you to draw a big picture.
Does it matter what picture?
Yeah, something nice and quick. You have 5 seconds to draw it.
Oh.
Starting now. 5, 4, 3,
I'm not the best at this.
2,
I'm finished.
1. Show them the picture. I don't want to see it.
I'm not the best at this. I'm not the best at art, so
Okay.
that's the best I can do for now.
Listen, that's all we ask is for people to do the hardest they can. The best that they can. Wait. Now give the card to Jackson. And Jackson, say stop.
Say stop.
Good. Place the card right there.
No, this way. Like this. Put it down. Jackson, you put it down.
Good job. And good helping, Jacob. Look, I'm going to give the cards a little bit of a mix like this. Jackson, watch this carefully. No, you can put that down right there. Over there. All right. We'll give a little bit of a shuffle. Now, I use what's called sleight of hand. That's how magic works, or at least some magic works, is that we do some secret things to make the magic happen. But instead of using my hands, I'm going to use my mouth.
What?
Hopefully this works. If not, then I'm going home, and I don't want to wait. I am home. All right, so here we go. You ready? I will try to find the card by using my tongue.
Your tongue? No, why would you lick the cards?
Because they're tasty.
$1 million.
Here we go, huh?
What?
I'm gonna find a card.
You sound like from the new Trolls movie. Do you find it? Find it? Find it? No. What? Wait, what? No.
One card folded into 4. Let's see.
Ew. No! Ew, but
Is that your card?
That was gross but awesome at the
Is that your card?
Yes.
Is that your picture?
Yes, I'm not the best at hearts.
I think you did a good job. All right, that's my little magic today.
So guys, wait, do we have any more magic?
No more magic.
Okay, so guys, guess what we have right now to do?
You'll never guess.
What do you think this is? Pokémon!
Wait, hold on a second. If you like the stuff that we are doing, then make sure you hit the like button underneath. This way more people get to see what Jakey D and Jackson and I are doing. So make sure you hit like and subscribe. And if you want, leave a comment. We love your comments. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so this is the package. If you want to read the back, here you go.
I don't think they could be able to see that.
2, 1.
Good.
Okay, so I'm going to rip this open.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to bust this right open. Okay. So here's one side of a pack. So it comes with 3 cards. Here's the first card. Second card. Third card. Now let's open up the other side. You wanna open it from there? Open it. Good job. Here, I can do it. Got it?
Yep.
Wow, good job, Jackson. Good helping, Jacob.
Uh-oh. There we go. I'm going to show you the packs that we got after I show the cards. Okay, guys?
Open it for me.
Okay, so wait. Here's the code card. Electabuzz party! Party!
Give
Party!
it to me. Little party! I saw that.
Okay, so these are, so, did I get the code card here?
Good.
Give me it one more time. So, wait. These are the packs that we got. We got Cosmic Eclipse. And we got Unified Minds. So what about Cosmic Eclipse first?
Give me it. And my gun. Go.
Wait, okay. You have to wait. Okay, wait. No, looking at the code card. Here's the code card, guys. You gotta just show the camera, okay? Here, help me.
No.
You wanna do it? Or you wanna do it?
Let Jackson show them. Jackson, show one at a time to the camera.
To the camera. Hold it up. While we do that, I'm gonna open up we'll wait. We will wait.
Okay, put it down and then show them the next one. What is it?
Go on. Here, can I do it? No.
Let him do that one.
Okay. And then Jackson, I'm gonna do this pack. Okay.
Okay.
Good job. Show the camera. Show them your nice smile.
I want Pikachu.
Oh, what's that?
Ooh. Reverse rare. And here is the rare. And then here, Jackson. Here is that. And then just show the rest, Jackson. Boom. And here you go. Okay, now Jacob's gonna do this pack, okay?
You go.
I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Here you go. That's the code card. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna do pack check. We forgot to do that on the last pack, so 4, 2.
What is that one?
Drober, I think. Fungus.
Energy.
I know we like him. This is a good card, guys.
What is it?
Chess Ball Reverse Rare.
Oh my lordy.
And last card.
Is it done?
Peace. And a little on the side. Check out. like the video, and comment. Bye, Ma, me, I love you!